If we're, or Ocasio-Cortez, or any of the real Elizabeth Warren, the excitement on the left is for more entitlements, is it not?
Absolutely. They're all involved in single entry bookkeeping. They don't like to do the debit side, just they want the credit side. And the world is double entry. And if you want to get ourselves into real serious trouble, don't attack this problem. I'm telling you, Sweden solved it. The solution is not economic, it is political.
Yes. Yes.
And the question is, do we have the guts to do what the Swedes did? What you have to do is get the correct financing system that creates the revenues that the entitlements create. And to be sure, as the population ages, we're going to build up ever-increasing entitlement levels. And as far as I can see, everyone is blinding themselves to that fact. It's built into the data. The Congressional Budget Office forecasts that there's major troubles ahead. Nobody is listening. The reason they don't listen is that the financial community doesn't care about bookkeeping. What they care about, which is what they're going to confront, is inflation. Remember, inflation back in the 70s, 1971, 4 or 5% caused Richard Nixon to put wage and price controls on. And the reason he did is as the inflation rate went up, the politics got extremely unstable. But it is not the fact of the entitlements per se that's doing it. All of the long-term interest rates, indeed short-term interest rates, in the last several years are the lowest in American history. As part of the data system in our book, we carry interest rates all the way back, and we do have government yields going all the way back, with the exception of 2 years. Those 2 years didn't have any because there was no debt. I mean, that sounds incredible. This is not, I don't mean there's no deficit, right, but there's no debt. And as a result, we are in uncharted territory, really.
What were those 2 years we had no debt?
Sorry,
what were those 2 years that we had no debt?
1834 and 36.
Yes.
Andrew Jackson.
Andrew Jackson.
You know, he may well have been a populist in the conventional sense of the word, but he was a fiscal bear.
He hated banks.